Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can convert your cryptocurrency. So if you want to convert any currency from your cryptocurrency account from Coinbase, you need to watch this video to the end. So if you want to learn how to create your Coinbase account, the full video will be in the description below. So let us get started right. So first thing, you need to go to your Google Play Store and search for Coinbase. Search for Coinbase. So once you search for Coinbase, this is the application. Install it and create your account if you have not. Like I said, the full video will be in the description, and it will be in the description below if you want to create your account from Coinbase. Click on open. If you already have your account, click on open. And if you want to convert your currencies, you need to watch me showing you how you can do that. So to do that, all you just need to do is to go to your portfolio. Once you're on your Coinbase account, go to your portfolio. On your portfolio here, you will see the currencies that you have. You can want to convert into any one here. You can see Bitcoin, you can see Chiliz, you can see Polygon, and you can see the graph. So you can just click anyone. I want to convert all these three currency, which is Chiliz and Polygon and the graph, to a Bitcoin. So I want to convert the three of them. So all I just need to do is to click on Chile, and I need to click on it, and I will just click on trade. So once I click on trade, you will see it will tell me to buy or sell and convert. So I'll click on convert. So once I click on convert, I will now click max. Max is all the money that you have on your account. Automatically it will boost you to this step and ask you which if you want to convert the money. You can see it's 0000 and it's growing up. So I will just click on convert now, and you just need to be patient. And as you can see, the money have just been converted into Bitcoin, and I just need to click on continue. As you can see, my Chile now is now 0. As you can see, it's remaining Polygon and the graph. So I just need to click on Polygon, and I will click on trade. And once I click on trade, you ask me to buy, sell, or convert. So I will now click on convert, and I'll click on mass to give me all the whole balance. And I click on convert, is converting it into Bitcoin. So as you can see, the order was just completed and it have been converted into Bitcoin. And as you can see, my Polygon account is now 0. So I just need to go back, and as you can see, is remaining the graph. So I just need to click on the graph, and let me show you something. If you come here on portfolio, you can see the graph. Click on the graph. So once you click on the graph, you will see at the bottom here how you can do this. So you just need to click on trade. So when you click on trade, you need to click on convert. So on this section here, you can see it's asking you which of the currency, say from to. You can see from to, the to is Bitcoin. Let me say you want to click on Bitcoin to that. You can just click here and search for Bitcoin. And if you search for Bitcoin, Bitcoin will appear. But because is on the graph you are, so it will be from the graph. But if you are on Bitcoin, it will be from Bitcoin. Then to is where you have to select the option of which currency you want to convert into. Let me say you want to convert it into Ethereum. You just need to click on that. You just need to go and look for Ethereum. And where is Ethereum? You just need to go search, and you can look for Ethereum Classic. You can just click on Ethereum Classic. It will be converted into Ethereum Classic, and click on it back again, because we don't want to convert it into Ethereum Classic. We want to convert it into Bitcoin. So just click on that and click on Bitcoin, and you click on max. It will bring all the whole $1.35. Automatically, it will boost you to this page and ask you to click on convert. And click on convert. You can see the paying with the graph, exchange rate, and Coinbase fee is 00. Total is this amount you will get, which is $1.35. So $1.35 and 35 cents. So that's it. Click on convert again, and you can see that the money have been converted into the currency we want. And now you can click on account, view account, and you can see your the graph account is 0. So how you can cash out that money now is, let me say you want to withdraw the money. How you can do that is to click on euro. So when you click on euro here, you will see cash out, the cash out that you have make into your paper account or into your bank account. But you can see our euro wallet is 0. So for we to convert this money into euro, so all we just need to do here is to click on Bitcoin. And once you click on Bitcoin, so what will happen here, you click on trade again. So when you click on trade, you are going to sell for cash. So you click on sell here. So you are going to sell your Bitcoin into your euro wallet. So if you click on the mass, if you click on mass here, you will see that the 20 this is the amount. The total amount is almost 40 euros. Sorry, no, the total amount is almost 28 euro and 33 cents. And if you see the fee that Coinbase is charging you here is $1, and the total you are going to get into your account is $26. 26 euros. So when you click on sell now, the money will be added into your account. So if I click on sell now, they will take $2. Let me say Coinbase will take $2 and they will give me 26 euros and 34 cents. That is how much I've received on my paper account if I do this transaction. But I don't want to do it, but I'm showing you how you can convert it and how you can transfer the money into your bank account. So once you click on sell now, the money will be added into your euro wallet, which is when you go to portfolio, you can see your euro wallet at the top here and click on it. You will see the amount you just transferred at the bottom. Then you will click on cash out. You will click on, if you want to add, you can click on add cash or cash out. Click on cash out and the money will be sent into your paper account or into your bank account. So that is how you can convert currency and how you can transfer cash out money from Coinbase. I will say thank you very much. And if this video really helped you, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section below if you have any problem. I will say thank you very much and peace out.